Good morning, boys and girls, teachers and staff, and welcome to Thursday, March 7th of 2019. Couple morning announcements for today. We have our yearbook club and also Young Rembrandts meeting after school today. So if you're a part of those clubs, make sure you remember that you have a meeting after school. And then March birthdays, there are no birthdays to announce for today. So if we have our next birthdays, I believe will be March 9th, will be the next birthday to announce. Lunch choices for today: spaghetti with meat sauce, chicken patty sandwich, or the ever-popular Fun on the Run. And then for our paws, are brought to you by our kindergarten students for today.
All right, boys and girls, it's time for our pause, and we have kindergarten here to help out with them for today. So they have some good suggestions of things not to do to make sure you're following your pause.
Don't push. Don't punch. Don't cut in front of people in the line. Don't call people mean names.
Those are great suggestions of things not to do, so thank you guys.
Awesome. Thank you, kindergarten. Great suggestions of things not to do to make sure we're earning our pause. And then at this time, let's please take a moment of silence. Thank you. If you could please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance.
All right, it is time for our Pledge of Allegiance, so please make sure you're standing. I pledge
allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you very much, kindergarten. I appreciate that. So, and at this time, let's conclude our announcements, but let's make sure that we're making great choices today. So remember, the choices are yours. You decide what kind of day you're going to have, so let's go out there and make it a great one.